Welcome back to the Hungarian Garden. In today's episode, we're diving into the wonderful world of herbs, with a focus on a true classic, Salvia Officinalis, commonly known as sage. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting, sage is a versatile and hardy herb that deserves a spot in your garden. Salvia officinalis is the Latin name for this perennial herb, belonging to the Lamiaceae family. Native to the Mediterranean region, sage has been cherished for centuries both for its culinary and medicinal uses. Sage typically blooms in late spring to early summer, producing spikes of vibrant blue to purplish flowers. Its grayish-green leaves are equally distinctive, exuding a rich and earthy aroma. Plant care. Caring for Salvia officinalis is relatively straightforward, making it an excellent choice for gardeners at all skill levels. It's a resilient plant known for thriving in a variety of conditions, with minimal fuss. Regular pruning after flowering helps maintain its shape and encourage new growth, ensuring your sage plant stays healthy and productive throughout the growing season. Growing conditions. When it comes to location, sage thrives in full sun, but can tolerate partial shade. It prefers well-drained soil, ideally sandy or loamy, and does best in USDA hardiness zones 4 through 8. Sage is drought tolerant once established, making it an excellent choice for low-maintenance gardens. However, avoid overly wet or heavy soils, as these can lead to root rot. Watering advice. Watering sage is simple. During its first year, ensure the soil remains consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Once established, sage can tolerate periods of drought, so it's important not to overwater. A good rule of thumb is to allow the soil to dry out between waterings, especially in cooler months. Pests and diseases. While generally pest-resistant, Salvia officinalis can occasionally attract aphids or spider mites, especially in hot, dry conditions. Powdery mildew can also be an issue if the plant is kept in too damp or if air circulation is poor. To prevent this, ensure your sage has plenty of space to breathe and avoid overhead watering. Warnings. Before you bring sage into your garden, there are a few things to consider. Although it is a hardy plant, sage does not like soggy soil or extreme humidity, which can lead to fungal diseases. Also, be mindful that sage can become woody and lose flavor if not pruned regularly, so annual cutting back is recommended. And remember to consult local gardening resources or experts for specific care instructions tailored to your region. And now for the fun fact. Did you know that Salvia officinalis was first formally described by the renowned botanist Carl Linnaeus in 1753? Linnaeus, often called the father of modern taxonomy, identified and classified this plant in his pivotal work species, Plantarium, published in Sweden. Sage has been valued for its medicinal properties for centuries, long before its official recognition in the botanical world. Thank you for joining us today on the Hungarian Garden, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And until next time, viszontlátásra!